Hi, I'm Sheila. I'm here with Xenon, my nephew.
Hi!
Today, we're going to learn about water animals in Bisaya. Are you ready?
Let's go!
Fish, isda.
Isda,
Whale, balyena.
balyena,
It is also called lumod.
lumod,
Shark, pating.
pating,
You can also call it iho.
iho,
Catfish, hito.
hito,
Jellyfish, sabay.
sabay,
Octopus, kugita.
kugita,
Squid, pusit.
pusit,
Eel, kasili.
kasili,
Stingray, pagi.
pagi,
Turtle, bao.
bao,
Crab, alimango.
alimango,
Prawn, pasayan.
pasayan,
Mussels, tahong.
tahong,
Oyster, talaba.
talaba,
Clam, kalaykay.
kalaykay. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.